Hi, I'm back. I'm Bill Ritchie. It's November 17th, and I'm back in the Mini Art Gallery. And the challenge today is to explain how I plan to finance the teacher in a box. I've been talking about it a lot. Now it's time to let you in on a little secret. I got a message not long ago asking about the value of an artwork of mine, and I did a little research. It turned out that it was sold originally for $325 maybe 10 or 15 years ago, and now, due to inflation and the rest, it's worth over $800. I was a little bit surprised, but that's good news, because if that one artwork is worth that much money, in the best of worlds, how much is a portfolio full of those artworks worth? So I go to my catalogs, and I have 5 of these, and they list the artworks in our collection of my art. And somewhere in here, in one of these 5 volumes, is this very artwork. So the idea is called Artiscrip. Artiscrip is an innovation and invention of mine based on scripophily. You can research scripophily. It's the collecting of old stock certificates. Certificates from companies that have disappeared a long time ago, but the stocks are beautiful and people collect them. They're beautiful prints. So that set a light bulb in my head and said, well, if those beautiful old stock certificates are being collected, then why not a form of Artiscrip? In other words, certificates which stand for a portfolio of prints. The innovation comes because prints, artworks of any kind, usually require a home, walls to display them on, or cases to store them in. In other words, a kind of an additional burden for the collector. So I decided that why not leave the artworks in the hands of the artist or the artist's heirs, and let the owners of these artworks, wherever they are, share the knowledge that they own a piece of that artwork, even though they don't have it in their hands, but they do have the certificate. So it becomes like a stock certificate. The best part is the money from this doesn't go toward enriching an individual, family, or whatever, although there's nothing wrong with that. But the money could be put toward a teacher in a box, because this innovation is going to take a lot of money and work and design to realize. The idea of putting a printmaking teacher in a box is a costly project, but there is a market for it, and more importantly, a great need for printmaking teachers, especially now during the pandemic. I'm Bill Ritchie. Thank you for watching.